This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by orienting the camera to portrait and locking that frame. This immediately sets composition for vertical platforms. Once done, pick frame rate, 30 FPS for general use, 24 for cinematic motion, 60 for fast action, and select exposure mode to avoid flicker. Make sure to stabilize with a tripod or gimbal and balance the device so it won't drift. Also check audio. Enable external mic and monitor levels. This prevents redoing dialogue later and keeps your first takes usable. Next, compose for vertical framing. Place the subject's eyes near the upper third and leave headroom. This reads better on phone screens. Once composed, set lighting, key light at about 45 degrees and a softer fill at half intensity to retain depth. Make sure to set white balance and manual focus or reliable face tracking AF, then lock when steady. As you record, watch histogram and audio meters. If levels clip, reduce gain immediately to keep footage clean for grading and editing. Finally, import into an editor set to 9:16 and assemble cuts with vertical safe framing. Once editing, color correct and stabilize clips. Crop and scale cautiously to avoid pixelation. Export as 1080x1920 using H.264 or H.265 at 612 Mbps for optimal quality and file size. If audio drifts or sync issues appear, relink by matching waveforms or nudge clips manually. If stabilization creates jitter, try a shorter crop or reduce stabilization strength to preserve natural motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.